Good afternoon. Well, I'm in the camper again. It's opening weekend for deer and elk, so and I got a nice little campsite. So let me show you what we got. Check this out. Beautiful spot. It's right by the road, but hopefully there won't be a lot of travel on this road. We got deer down here. So we got a creek right over here. Look at that. You have to keep the dogs out of there. They've already been in it a few times, but yeah, it's beautiful. It's gonna sound great tonight with a fire. Got my spread here. Got dude ready to go. So tomorrow, I think the plan is I am gonna go right up this draw, and there's some stuff along the top I want to check out. So that'll probably be most of my day tomorrow. What'd you do, dude? You'd sit? Good boy. Well, we're gonna take a quick four-wheeler ride. We'll see. I've never really been up this way. There's kind of some cool stuff up there, and I kind of want to, I'm gonna mark a few spots on the old Onyx where I think in the future we can camp, because this is a pretty cool area. So, see what's going on. There's a little grunting back there. Well, I'm out hunting today. I left the dogs in the camper, the four-wheeler's in the trailer. I hiked up here. It's a pretty cool spot. Aiden's straight that way, about a mile. I just made a fire. I got some nice piping hot coffee. Yeah, I'm just enjoying the view, taking a little break here.